Languages have different ways of adopting vocabulary. So has English. English has four main ways of taking its vocabulary. Number one, borrowing those words which are borrowed from other languages. Number two, blending the words which are made with blending two words or more than two words. Number three, coining words which are invented, newly introduced. And number four is the words which are introduced by science, scientific words, science words. Today I'm talking on blended words, what they are. Blended words are which are combination of two or more than two words, and in today's English, commonly used words which are blended words are number one, motel. Motel. It's combination of two words, motor and hotel. Number two, brunch. Brunch. Breakfast and lunch. Brunch. See how one word has been taken from the combination of two words, breakfast and lunch, brunch. Infotainment, information and technology, because, by, cause, smog, smoke and fog, smoke and fog. Emoticon, emotion and icon. Fortnight, 14 nights, fortnight, fortnight. Forex, foreign exchange. Email, electronic mail, email. Then we have internet, internet, international network, international network. Vlog, vlog, video blog, video blog. Interpol, Interpol is international police, combination of two words, again blending of two words. Webinar, web-based seminar, web-based seminar, seminars which are conducted on computer, internet, etc. These are very commonly used blended words in today's English, and all academic words very frequently used in day-to-day English. Thank you very much.